A new political controversy has surfaced in Karnataka with the opposition Bharatiya Janata Party questioning the grant of plot on the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board site to a trust run by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's family and headed by his son Rahul Kharge. The 5-acre parcel was part of 45.94 acres set aside for setting up civic amenities at the Aerospace Park to be allocated under the scheduled caste quota. Karnataka government denied BJP's allegation and claimed that BJP had made similar allotments when it was at the helm. Meanwhile, Priyank Kharge also denies the allegation. Let's in fact listen into the war of words.
मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा है। एक द फाइल नाम की वेबसाइट है, उस वेबसाइट ने पूरा डिटेल अपलोड किया हुआ है और संयोग से जो एक आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट ने जो कंप्लेंट गवर्नर साहब के राज्यपाल महोदय को दी है, उस शिकायत में कुछ जो प्रॉपर्टी हैं जो अलॉट हुई है इलीगली केआईडीबी के द्वारा, उस प्रॉपर्टी में इसका भी जिक्र है। तो जब वो कुछ लोग इसके डेप्थ में गए ये कौन कौन बेनिफिशियरी हैं उस अलॉटमेंट के, तो उसमें ये एक ट्रस्ट का नाम आया। फिर जब आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट ने उस ट्रस्ट के बारे में खोज की तो उसमें मल्लिकार्जुन जी की पूरी फैमिली, जो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं कांग्रेस के, उनका पूरा परिवार।
All right. What we have been seeing are the allegations that are coming in the Karnataka land row, where the BJP has been questioning the allocation of land, and now Priyank Kharge refuting and denying the allegations of the commercial purposes of the land scam row. And while the BJP has questioned in Karnataka about Congress's conduct. While joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Arzu. Arzu, what we are all right. Now joining me at this point of time is my colleague Anand. Anand, what we are seeing unfolding in the state of Karnataka over the allocation of funds is yet another political controversy after the Muda scam for the Congress. What essentially conspires as the base for this controversy and how Congress is responding to it?
Yeah, this is the fresh controversy, Simran, that has come up in Karnataka after controversy surrounding Chief Minister Siddaramaiah getting land for his wife in Karnataka. So now this time Mallikarjun Kharge's son has come up in the controversy as BJP MP Lehar Singh has alleged that he was given the 5-acre land out of 45-acre land in Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board area there, and he alleged that why this kind of favoritism and nepotism or misuse of power in Karnataka. However, several of the ministers in Karnataka have denied the charges, and they said that this 5-acre of the land that was set aside of the 45.98 acres was meant for the development of educational institutions, and that is where the land has been given to Mallikarjun Kharge's son Rahul Kharge, and in which Priyank Kharge is also a member, and Mallikarjun Kharge's son-in-law is also a trustee in that trust. So clearly even Priyank Kharge came out in support of his brother, and he denied the allegations that were made by the BJP MP, and he said that no such preference was given to the trust where the land has been given, and even his brother has a vast experience of working with several of the esteemed organizations in India in the field of education that includes Indian Institute of Science, and thus he asked the BJP MP that little knowledge is very dangerous. So clearly he took a jibe at the BJP MP over there while denying the allegations that he made against the Kharge's son that misuse of power was done and favoritism was done for Kharge's son by providing the land in Karnataka. Back to you, Simran.
Anand, but what essentially has been also on the part of the Congresses as clarifications that are coming at this point of time. What is the strategy that the Congress is mulling over, refuting the allegations that the BJP has surfaced in the land scam row?
Yeah, Simran, look, the Congress has mentioned that no rules has been violated over here while granting the land to the trust of the Kharge's family, where the Rahul Kharge is chairman of that trust, and even Priyank Kharge and Mallikarjun Kharge's son-in-law are the other trust members. So clearly they have been working in the field of education since 1994, and they have mentioned that this trust has been working for the upliftment of SC and ST community in educational area. So clearly, and they have mentioned that no misuse of power has been done, no favoritism or nepotism angle is involved over there, as no concession have been given to the trust while providing this land. So clearly they are mentioning all the rules, and they have brought up the documents. Even Karnataka Minister MB Patil have came out in defense of the Kharge's family, and he has mentioned that all the allegations that have been put by the BJP MP are false and frivolous.
Viewers will continue to track all the developments very closely. Till then, stay with us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.